Today I'm here on Wall Street during one of the worst financial crashes in history. My goal is to talk to the people and figure out the best way to invest during this crash. And I also want to try to get into the New York Stock Exchange. So here we go. What's going on, man? You guys think you could be in our YouTube video for a second?
No.
Sorry. Would you be in my YouTube video for a moment?
Sorry, brother.
Look, we getting in there today. I don't know how. We're gonna do it. We're going into the stock exchange. You be in our video for 1 second?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys. They're not taking me seriously enough, man. So something's got to change. My boy looks like a criminal right now. We need to get him right. Yeah, we really need like the perfect, simple stock exchange outfit. Yeah. I'll buy this. All right. Think I'm ready for the stock exchange now?
I think you're ready for the stock exchange.
All right, let's get it. Thank you, man.
Of course, man. You have a good one.
See you later. It's go time. Let's do it. We're back on Wall Street. Let's see what the people have to say now. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you invest in stocks at all?
I do, yes.
How are you investing during this market crash right now?
How am I investing?
Yeah, how has your investing strategy changed during the drop of the market?
I'm buying more.
I love it. Enjoy your day. Buy some more, baby. Buy the dip, baby. Come on. How are you investing right now during this crash?
I'm actually just entirely invested in ETFs, mutual funds.
I'm in some Bitcoin and some crypto. I have some NEO, some electric car company stocks,
Nice.
and I'm long term.
I just save a lot of money, and I do a more conservative, ETFs. I invest in like different real estates in different states.
Do you feel like now is a good time to get into the market?
Yes, buy gold.
Got you, buy gold. That's a good tip. We haven't heard that one today. Thank you, man. Do you work here on Wall Street?
A little bit.
What do you say to the young, new kids that are just getting into investing? Is this a good time to get started or maybe wait till things?
It's a good time to get in, but you got to take a long view of it.
Definitely.
You gotta plan for not months, but years, 5 years, 10 years,
Yeah.
and stick with it.
I agree with that. You look fresh today, man. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Are you invested in stocks at all?
We spend our money in any shops.
Got you.
not at the stock exchange.
Listen, you're probably going to be happier doing that.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
enjoy
because
yourself.
I'm wearing it every day.
Yeah, and you look good too.
Oh,
so
thank you.
Enjoy your
You
day.
too.
See you later. How does this crash look compared to what you've seen in the past? The way the people acting, everything. How different does it seem?
That's a good question. I think in the past two crises, COVID and financial crisis, there was a lot the government can do to really help with a rapid recovery. It's a different circumstance this time. Over time, the markets have always gone up, and just have confidence that things will recover.
As the afternoon was approaching, people were getting less interested in talking to me, and after being rejected over 100 times, I had truly reached my breaking point.
That might have been the coldest rejection I got so far.
And even though it was painful, it was actually great talking to all these people. But I was looking for a real Wall Street legend, and for that, there was only one place I could go.
Boss, how can I help you?
Well, we got all dressed up and everything to try to come into the stock exchange. Is it possible to go in there for a video real quick?
Unfortunately, this hasn't been open to the public since 9/11. So I apologize.
No worries. Thank you, man.
I really wanted to go inside, so I decided to make a few phone calls to see what I could do. Unfortunately, I wasn't having any luck, and then I called my boy Sam.
Yo, what up, bro? We here in the city right now. We're on Wall Street trying to get into the stock exchange.
You're there right now?
Right now.
I mean, usually it takes about 2 weeks to get clearance, but I can pull some strings.
It looks like you're in the city right now. Can you come here?
Yeah, I'm just finishing up with a client. I'm actually about 15 minutes away. I'll transfer in a second. I'll be right over.
All right, bro. We'll see you in a couple minutes. Thank you. Our last hope.
Let's get Jordan. Yes, sir. Good to see you, bro. So look, I have to make a call, see what I can do. It usually needs clearance. So I do have one person that usually lets me into this place. I've been there before. Super cool experience. Let me make a call. No promises, but let me see what I can do, okay?
All right, bro. Try your best.
All right, you got it.
Thank you.
Give me a second, all right?
Let's see if the boy Sam can come through for us. This is really our last hope, so let's see.
Okay, cool. I'm with them now, and then I'll head over there in a second, okay? All right, cool. Okay, got some cool news for you.
What's up?
So, a few months ago, I met with this guy, and I want to make sure you guys get hooked up inside the stock market exchange.
Bro, you saved the day, man.
Got you,
Thank
bro.
you. Hey, let's go over there, maybe.
Should I take you there?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I have a meeting in like 20 minutes, so I'll take you there real quick, and then you guys do whatever you want. But I gotta run after that. Okay, let's go.
How are you investing during these times? What do you think about the crash overall?
So obviously the market's not where it was before, so we shouldn't be looking at the prices. I think we will be falling for the next few months, but I will be looking at the great companies like Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia, all the companies that in 5 years from now will still be rocketing to all-time highs and slowly averaging down. However, not overdoing myself, averaging slowly to an extent where I don't feel overextended inside the market. This is it, man. This is where it all happens. So he's going to be in here about 5 minutes. He just confirmed it with me. He's going to take you to that entrance right over there. They're going to clear you through security. Once you're in, you can go straight inside, take all the content you need.
Thanks again, bro.
You got it, brother. All right. Peace out. Gotta run. See ya.
I'm not gonna lie, at this point, I thought we were good. I mean, we had secured an interview with a big dog on Wall Street, but unfortunately, I legally can't say if we went in there or not. Even if we literally did get invited to go inside, which I'm not saying we did. A week after I got home, I was told I am not allowed to use any of the footage. At first, I was gonna scrap this whole video.
I'm just like sad. I'm like super bummed. Like, yeah, we'll figure something out.
But we came such a long way, I couldn't go out like that. So instead of throwing this whole interview away, I had an idea.
So first off, how long have you been coming to the stock exchange?
I came here in 1985.
Got you. And you've seen a lot since then, a lot of crashes, a lot of recessions. How does this current dip in the market relate to those? Do you see a similarity or it's way different?
I've seen the crash of 87, the bubble of 2000, the financial crisis of 07, you know, the crazy years under Professor Orange over there. And then I've seen COVID crash. I think this has components to it that I can describe that I've never seen before. No one's ever really had a health crisis this way before. No. The economies of the world were shut down to zero. The airlines, restaurants, hospitality, travel, this, that, and the other thing were basically done. The Federal Reserve bailed us out. But I think if we had not done that, we would be in much bigger trouble than we are now.
What's the best way to invest during these times?
I'm not a financial advisor. Disclaimer all day long, that's not what I do.
Understood.
There's no better time to learn about the market and invest and trade the market than during a crisis because the volatility makes for great learning experience. If you're an investor looking to get into the market for the first time, you've got to learn how to do this. You can make money on an up market and a down market. Markets do go up and down.
We really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
First day on Wall Street was a huge success, but honestly, y'all, this suit is like uncomfortable, and I don't know if this lifestyle is for me, so I think it's time to go home. See you guys in the next video.
Some tips for him. It's his first day on Wall Street.
First day on Wall Street, bro.
Work hard.
Work hard,
Yeah.
play hard. Play hard. I like this guy. I like this
And you can't tell me nothing, right?
guy. Guys, still in here.